I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to manage column profile in WordPress Bulk Posts Editing. Managing post columns in WordPress Bulk Post Editing plugin can help you to take the most advantages of our plugin. In fact, the main purpose of providing a post table in this plugin was to enable the store managers to see as many columns as they need related to each post or column post in the main page, and then be able to bulk edit any of them. Managing post columns. In order to manage post columns, you have to open the Column Manager tab, which is available at the top of the main page. Then, go ahead and click on Column Manager. At the beginning, you can see that all the column profiles are already added to this plugin. We will describe this part later on, but for now, let's go and see how to create a column profile for managing post columns. Creating a new post column profile. Creating a new profile is not a complicated task in our plugin, as you can find a list including all fields which are available for being bulk edited. So the only task left for you is choosing the right columns according to your priorities and clicking the arrow icon. For example, we selected description and short description. As you can see, those items are displayed in the opposite box. In this box, you have access to some options including changing the color of post column. This option will help you to specify the columns which are more important in different colors so that you can distinguish them. On the current page, there is no limit for choosing the color, so you can pick any color by clicking on it. Changing the order. Changing the order of post columns is possible by drag and drop as displayed right here. Deleting columns. The cross icon is placed here so you can use it to delete any post columns that were selected by mistake or you don't need them to be displayed. Saving profile. Saving the column profile is quickly done by typing a name and clicking on the Save Preset button. In this way, you can refer to the saved column profile and see your selected post columns anytime you need. For example, we typed post description as the column profile name, and as you can see, it's been saved. Editing the saved column profiles. You have also access to the saved column profile in the column profiles list at the top of the Column Manager. In this part, you can use the following options for managing the post column profile. Deleting columns profiles. You can delete user created column profiles by clicking on the delete button and confirming the operation. Editing the column profile. The edit button is only available for the column profiles that you created before. By clicking on this button, a pop-up will open and you can manage your column profile by these options. Add or remove columns. Change the column profile name. Change the color of columns. And change the order of columns. When you make sure that everything is set, it's time to choose the column profile and see the selected columns in the post table, as we showed for post description column profile here. If you need any help with loading the column profile, please refer to the Select Column Profile in WordPress Bulk Post Editing plugin in our channel.